As the festive season approaches, I wanted to share a special gift with all of you, my loyal food page followers. This Christmas and New Year, elevate your culinary creations with my comprehensive free eBook. Featuring 5 delectable, effortless, quick rice recipes to tantalize your taste buds. From Persian turmeric rice to tomato rice and more. These recipes will transform your dining experience to a delightful adventure. To receive your complimentary ebook, simply click on the link down below and embark on a culinary journey with me, Rosina. Happy cooking, and I wish you all a beautiful holiday season and a prosperous New Year. Sal no Mubarak and Happy New Year!